Hey, this is Neal Walters. I want to show you how easy it is to make a video for Team WUKAR and potentially make $200 on this video. Well, that is explained in other videos which you can watch if you want to know more information. This is the keyword with which I've been assigned to do my video for. The best places to shop for appliances in, this is the area code or zip code, 60517 Illinois. So the tool that we have selected to use is Video Maker FX, and you can see here I've already got a template video which actually has to do with appliances in another zip code that I just did a few minutes ago. So really all I have to do is come here and replace this line with the new video. Let me make sure I actually got that correct. So notice it says there 60517. Sometimes what I do is I go to Notepad here and I paste my keyword just so I have an easy reference of it. So we're dealing with 60517 Illinois. And that's all we have here. Okay, so now my second slide says she lives in, and just as a touch I like to add, I like to put the city there, whatever that zip code is. So I have to go to Google and look it up. So I simply go to Google and paste in the zip code and the city, and I see that's Woodbridge, Illinois. So I copy the name of the city, and right here, see these different texts. One says like meet. Second name is the lady's name, Joan. I could make that Francis or whatever name I wanted. And see, my last video was Hicksville, so now I want to replace that with Woodridge. And the rest of my video is actually set exactly as is. So all I have to do now is, I could preview it if I wanted to, but I'm going to export the video. So one more time, this is why I keep this in Notepad. I need this line one more time because that has to be the name of the video. And you can see here where I'm going to export it. I basically just paste in here the name of the video. And I hit export to start, export start. And you can see how fast it's going. That's slide 1, slide 2. And each slide takes, on my computer, maybe 10 seconds. So you can see this whole thing will be done in about a minute. So I'll come back when it's done. And you can see that's the last slide, and it says export completed. Now I'm going to hit cancel. By the way, there was a preview project right here. I'm going to go ahead and preview it right now so you can see the exact video that I created, which by the way was about 1 minute and 10 seconds. And this company that we're working with, they don't want any of their videos to be over 2 minutes. So I think it's a 30-second or 1 minute minimum and 2 minutes max. So I usually just make it a little over a minute, just minimally enough to say what you want to say. So here comes the actual video now. So that's the entire video right there. So now to complete my task, all I need to do is upload it. So I go back to the site that I started with, I click Browse, and I pick my video from the disk, which I still pasted here, is that. So I can just pick it and hit Open, and then click Submit Video. And you know, videos are kind of fairly large in size, so the upload may also take maybe 30 seconds to 1.5 minutes. So I'll pause the video while that happens. And as you can see, the video actually was successfully uploaded here. And now it gives me my next video. It says the best place to shop for appliances in 38730 Mississippi. So guess what? I just do the same thing again. So each time I do this, it may take me anywhere from, say, 3 to 7 minutes, depending on how distracted I am. And then I do another one, do another one, do another one. And that's the idea of completing these tasks that our millionaire wants us to do to help make us all successful in WUKAR. So I'll see you on the next video. I hope to work with you. This is definitely something easy you can do. This Video FX program is, I think, $67, and you can learn it in about an hour. And then from then on, you just basically make simple little changes like this and crank out these videos. In the future, there'll be other types of tasks that different types of people will be doing. We don't know what all those tasks are yet. But the idea is when a customer comes and watches this video and signs up with basically our mother company, they're going to start getting these cashback discounts, and then you're going to get a percentage of all those cashback discounts. And if they decide to work the business like you are, you'll make even more money potentially. So there's no guarantee, of course, on income, but they're predicting that the average person gets a rebate of about $800 a year from our mother company. And I think you get 25% of that, so that's $200. So that's where they get the target figure that for every person that every video you make puts you in the rotator. And then when someone signs up with you in the rotator as a customer, if they spend $800 over the next year, that means over the next year you'll make $200. So again, I hope to see you on the next video. Look forward to working with you. This has been Neal Walters.